Hi, it's 18th of June 2025, and life update. I'm still working in the aged care in the kitchen as a kitchen hand. So sometimes I'm working 12 hours, and that sometimes is like 5 days a week. But this time, 4 hours a day muna yung na-accept ko para may pahinga naman ako. Kahit umaasa ako sa filter, hindi kinakaya ng filter yung pagod ng itsura ko. And right now, it's winter, and hindi yung katawan ko until now nag-a-adjust sa winter because it's very cold. I grew up in a tropical country, Philippines, and I'm here in Sydney, and it's cold. Dito sa titirahan namin, walang heater, so we need to make sure to make ourselves warm at our own, diskarte. Ganon ang buhay. And so we're living in a shared house right now just to save money while we're working very hard. Although we're earning good, but it's not that good if you spend that money here because the expense here is still, expensive. So, and I'm still new here. Ilang months pa lang ako on this continuous job. So, I have not saved much as I think. Pero meron akong pasabay. So, on June 28, yan. Hindi lang ako. You can contact Bellenview PH and message them para may pasabay po until June 28. The cut-off, although I will try to make videos kung anong mga pwede ipasabay at gusto nyong ipasabay, message nyo lang ako kasi minsan hindi na rin po ako nakakalabas-labas. In the morning, I'm busy on some things at home, and then in the evening I'm going to work. I have to travel 2 hours going to work because it's far from here, and then on weekend I also have work, so a little busy, but that's my life here. And I'm still on adjustment stage. It's my 1 year here. It's my first year here in. Okay, I passed the 1 year, but still on adjustment stage. Oh my goodness. But I think I'll get through this. And hopefully, very soon. Yeah, this is my life update. Hindi kinakaya ng filter ang pagod, girl. So, but still, I'll see you on my next videos. Thank you. Hello from Sydney.